Okay children, now open page number 97 of your English classwork book. Fill in the blanks with he or she. So the first sentence here is, this is Sita, full stop. Dash is a girl, full stop. So what do we use for a girl? Yes, we will use she. So we will join the dots and we will write capital S H E she. This is Sita. She is a girl. This is Raj. Full stop. Dash is a boy. Full stop. So what do we use for a boy? He. So we will write capital H E he. This is Raj. He is a boy. Next sentence is, this is Sita's father. Full stop. Dash is a doctor. So what do we use for father? He. So we will write capital H E he. This is Sita's father. He is a doctor. The next sentence is, this is Rad's mother. Full stop. Dash is a doctor. Full stop. So what do we use for mother? She. So we will write capital S H E she. This is Rad's mother. She is a doctor. This is Manish. Full stop. Dash is a man. Full stop. So what do we use for a man? He. So we will write capital H. H E he. This is Manish. He is a man. Now the last sentence is, this is Bharti. Full stop. Dash is a woman. Full stop. So what do we use for a woman? She. So we will write capital S H E she. This is Bharti. She is a woman.